Good girl.
Oh, you found it.
Look out. She may grab you.
Oh, I got
No, she's going for the drool.
Well, thank you, Ursula.
You missed some, Mercy. I don't know, Ursa.
I look it up. Don't
She's
worry.
a little wary of the baby, but she's good.
She's not. You know.
Ursa!
She's being very cautious. That's wonderful. I'm so glad to see this.
Where's the baby? Where's Ursa?
God bless you.
Bless you.
It's the truth. It's the truth. Well, what?
She wants Ursa to come back.
What is Ursa
Oh.
doing?
Oh.
Where did it go?
Where's the ball?
I'm sorry.
Where's the ball? Get the ball.